Hi, this is James Abraham with warehouse-lighting.com, coming to you to talk about a ProLight 360-degree industrial light kit. It's called a kit because it's got several options to mount it. It can be mounted on a tripod. It's got a tripod adapter, which is not pictured here, obviously. But it's also got two magnets, so you could actually stick this to a corrugated ceiling. They mount on both sides, pop it upside down, pop it in. Comes with a 120 cord, so you could rope them all together through a 120 extension cord. It's got several lighting options. It's got every time there's two buttons here at the bottom that one will light half of the fixture, and this is also half on here, so if you're trying to spot an area like a wall, you can utilize it to do that. Or you can actually light the whole thing up, which is 15,000 lumens, which is really bright right now with me standing behind it, but which would light an entire room. I'll turn off the light for a second so you can see how bright this thing really is. It's got a 50,000 hour life. It has a light on top, so it is also lighting up towards your ceiling, or if you're hanging it, down towards your floor. It's great for temporary lighting for work sites. It's real durable. It's got a lot of heat sink material in it. So I'm going to turn half of this thing off right now. So, and you can see how it's spotting that one wall. So for the fixture not to overheat, I did tell you it does have different options on mounting it. I told you about the tripod. I told you about there's two magnets that mount to the bottom of this to put on a corrugated ceiling or wherever you need to put it. There's also a hanging hook option. Like if you had old 120s and you want to hang it on the hook right now so you can work in an area for an industrial application, you could do that. And that just screws in on the bottom. But if you have any questions, the lighting range is about 40 feet from this, so it's 40 feet all around. I have another fixture that's about a 75-foot radius of the fixture, but that will light a pretty good area, 75 foot around this fixture, or 75 feet, from the middle. So if you have any questions, you can call us here. It's IP65, so it can be sprayed down. It is wet location, it's durable, and it's UL listed, or CUL listed, so it can be used in Canada here. If you have any questions, please contact our customer service people. They'll be glad to help. The number is listed at this site somewhere or in this email, or click the link. Please follow us on YouTube, and we'll come out and show you different products to use. But go to warehouse-lighting.com and you can pick yourself up a few of these. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.